Well, it's the start of a new day and we're sitting around most of today. What day is it? Oh, Tuesday. It's been a lovely morning, but it's just started raining. We've just come up to the actual cafe building, the petrol station building, and it's just started thunder and lightning, and you can see the rain in the distance, look.
But we're outside.
Yeah, we're still outside, look. It's nice, isn't it?
Having a coffee and a...
And we got this. All this, look, for just under €4. Yeah, we went over that cafe over there and we got stung for...
Double.
It was double, €8. Rubbish. Anyway, it's still raining. We're under a canopy, look, so it's alright, under a canopy. Yeah, so we don't know what time we've got to start yet. It's 4 o'clock and our collection is at 6 o'clock. I've just tried to phone the contact. Oh, look at that V8. You watch him go by, look. There he goes. Never mind. Distraction. Yeah, our pickup is at 6 o'clock, so we don't know yet if we're going to get it early or what. Can you hear this lot?
Wow.
Christ. It's mad, isn't it? Look at it go. Crazy. I suppose you can't really see that on camera. Anyway, we don't know whether they're picking the load up till whatever yet. I'm waiting for the contact to call me back. Hopefully we can get it a bit earlier, but it's going to be a very, very late run tonight. So we're going to have a coffee and we will see you later. Right, the time to go. We've been informed that our return load was ready at midday. And it's now 4:45, so we've lost nearly 5 hours. So there we go. Anyway, that's the part of the job, isn't it? So you just got to put up with it. At least we were parked in a reasonable place. We just had a nice coffee, didn't we?
Yeah.
And experienced the most amazing thunderstorm.
Sitting in it.
And it's, as you can see, it's lovely now. Look. So off we go into Marbella. I know we're near Marbella, but we're going to go in Marbella now. So let's see what that brings us. Weird, isn't it, coming this way? I'm sure there was a better route. That's the way she's bringing us though. This ain't right.
After 700 yards, turn right.
Weird, isn't it? There's got to be a better way in and out than this. It's all gated blooming communities here, look. That way and that way.
Normally turn right.
Yeah. There's got to be a better way out. Well, I'm not coming out this way. Bloody trees and everything. Yeah, I'm not coming out. Look at this, all this lot on the corner here, look. Stupid, isn't it? Well, just down the bottom of it is a main road, so at least there's no traffic here. We can go down the middle of the road and miss all these bloody trees. Look, what a stupid way to bring us in.
It's weird.
Oh, we got to go right here. It's down here on the side. Look. Oh God, look at these trees.
Now turn right.
This one, look at this thing here, look. Wait for it. Oh, it's gone over the roof, I think. Anyway, right. Yeah, we're not going out that way. It's
That's
stupid.
ridiculous.
Bloody stupid. Jane, you've let me
You're
down.
daft.
Yeah, you've let me down.
There's got to have been a better way than that.
Yeah,
That was all through blooming residential.
Yeah.
Funny little streets.
that's rubbish. Right, we're loaded. Cool, what a faff that was. Well, not a real faff, but
Well, a little faff.
a little faff because the sat-nav, Jane, took us a little bit wrong. It didn't bring us in the right side of where we had to do our collection. Anyway, we're loaded now. Eh?
We couldn't find it, could we?
No, it's a bit obvious, isn't it? So I'm putting Bilbao Port in the sat-nav now. We'll see how long that takes from here. We're in a very busy bit of road because there's a cut through on a set of traffic lights. We'll see how long this takes. We'll get out of here as quick as we can. 13 hours to Bilbao. So just over a day and a bit driving. See where it takes us out. I'm not going to go back up through that bloody residential area again. No, I don't. It just takes us the way we were first supposed to come. So I don't know what that was all about. Down through there.
Weird.
Yeah. So anyway, it takes forever, doesn't it? Well, we've been waiting here longer than him. Stupid idiot. Right. What's that done? At least it's taken us out of Bale.
After 600 yards, at the roundabout, take the third exit.
Should have brought us in at this roundabout. I ain't got a clue what that was all about. I suppose it was. It would have been the first, not the first Marbella. Yeah, the first Marbella sign. I would imagine this goes out too on the motorway. Bloody trees, look.
Now, at the roundabout, take the third exit.
Thank you very much. Hopefully this is a better route. Still bloody stupid trees up there, look. No, I'm not going up there. They can redirect me. Not going up there. Oh, what's that mean? Might make come up here, huh? There's some camions. Oh well, we'll find out in a minute, won't we? Bloody trees, look at that. Oh, there's another roundabout up here.
After 700
that'd be
yards,
just the
at the
same.
roundabout, take the third exit.
So it's like a lighthouse, isn't it? That looks better.
Now, exit.
It's a bit late there, and all. Oh, bloody hell. Bloody traffic lights. So where do you see the lights now? You've got to lean forward and look at them. There should be something the other side of the junction, shouldn't there? Well, they all look. What are they all bibbing their horns at?
Oh, there's a green one here.
Well, so? I'm not turning right. Bloody lot. What's the matter with them? Idiots. More bloody lights.
Roundabout, for a second.
That's weird. We can go either side of this, I assume. It looks like it, doesn't it?
Looks like
I hope so. Straight on. Looks
Looks
like
like
it.
straight on.
Yeah, then it goes
That would be
around.
the second exit.
Oh well, we'll see.
Looks like it's cut through the middle of the roundabout.
Well, they come out that way to go around there. Actually, I know where we are. I know exactly where I am. Went up to that villa up there. So we should have come in off of that roundabout that I said I'll come off that time to go up to that villa in the mountains. I know exactly where I am. Yeah. So we should have come off the one after McDonald's. Isn't it funny? I know where I am. What's that all about? Yeah, that's the way we should have come in. But we would have still had to go. So the best way would have been is to head
Now,
for
at the roundabout,
San
take
Pedro
the second exit.
on the motorway, go and turn round and come back. That would have been the best way, wouldn't it? Indicators without. No, he don't even. She don't even indicate to go off. Look. Pathetic. And what are you doing? You're doing something in there, you shouldn't be. You're fiddling with your phone. Look, here I am in front. Look, fiddling, looking at your bloody Facebook or whatever.
After 200 yards, at the roundabout,
it's
take
not
the
a map.
third exit.
There's social media or something going on. So we got to hang back while they're checking their social media. Look at him in his hair over there, look.
Lovely. It's brolly.
Yeah. They need it here today, though, don't they? Can we get going? There's nothing coming around the roundabout. Come on. Oh, indicate. Bloody car drivers. God, look at her. Christ, that's a bit ropey, wasn't it?
It's scary.
God. You see it?
Yes.
Look at this idiot.
Now, at the roundabout, take the second exit, then join the motorway.
What a knob.
No, look at it, look. Stupid woman.
Indicate.
Pathetic, isn't it?
Can't ride a horse down here.
No, that's good, I haven't got one. Right, let's get out of this bloody lunacy. Here, look at that sky over there. I think we're going to cop that in a minute, don't you?
That looks a bit vile.
Look at the state of it.
God.
Jeez.
It looks a bit black.
What?
What the hell is it?
I ain't got a clue.
Should we join in or together now?
Easy to sing along with, isn't it?
I can speak Spanish.
Another chorus. Oh dear me. Anyway, that's enough of that. Right, it's break time. We've stopped and we're having hot dogs in a baguette. It's very nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah, just boiled them up. Having a lovely cup of coffee. What's the time?
Because we can't have beer.
No. It's 10 to 10. Late. And I'm going to do at least another 4 hours. But if we haven't got a boat booking, I don't need to do another 4 hours because we won't be doing much on the Wednesday because we can't go across the border into France. So we'll have to wait, you know, we'll have to sort of suck it and see as we go along, I think, won't we? Yeah.
We don't know.
No, hopeless. Anyway, we're parked, where we parked?
There's no place called Ballion.
I don't, did we vlog them? All you can see is a blooming kitchen roll in the background now. You know, we went to Sardinia. Did we vlog that detour?
Oh, I'm not sure.
No, we may not have vlogged that detour, but we come in here for some fuel now and a break because I've done just over 4 hours driving, and we stopped here once. We were cooking bacon and eggs, and we had a phone call, and we had to divert to Sardinia. We'd been down to Marbella, we're heading home, so we had to go to Barcelona to get the boat. Just put a bit more time on the journey, didn't it? On the week or whatever it was. But luckily here, it's just before the turning to go to Valencia. So they just caught us in the right place, didn't they? We didn't.
Yeah, well, they knew where we were.
Yeah, I know, but we didn't have to backtrack or anything. But if we had to go to Sardinia, we had to go to Sardinia, where they'd gone past the turning or not. So, yeah, so that's that. And, right, we're going to have our food because I must stop eating and vlogging. And we'll catch you in a bit. That's it for the day. We're pulling into, I suppose he's going to go in that corner, but we're pulling into, yeah, look, bloody fridge right in front of us. Look. No other fridges in there. Yeah, we're pulling into where we went in the other day. It was our first stop on our first Marbella trip.
Yeah, it was yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday. God, don't you lose track of time. So we've had enough. We've worked out our hours. No matter what we do, it makes no sense in going any further. No, so we're going to call it a day and park here, I think. Let's have a little drive around and see what's what here. That's a bloody fridge there, look. He's backing in over there. Oh no, it's not, it's a talk liner. So should we go next to him? We're facing here, I think. That'll do. We're facing here. And that's it. So we've had enough because we worked it out that if we anyway, let's turn the camera around and get the proper camera on, shall we? Yeah, so anyway, I've been racking my brains and racking my brains and racking my brains for the last hour or more. If we've got, it's 6 hours and 45 minutes to Bilbao, so that's fine. So we can have our time off here tomorrow, run to Bilbao, park up, run into the port on Thursday, get our boat home, be home Friday afternoon. If we don't get a boat, we've then got to run as close as we can to the border, but not so close to the border with France and Spain that there's no parking. But if we park in Spain, we ain't going to get home the weekend. So we've only got 2 more shifts after Thursday to work because the French are on holiday and we've got to stop. We've got to down tools. So, yeah, it's just, you're damned if you do and you're damned if you don't, aren't you? So I thought, well, it's pointless going over midnight. It's now 11:30. It's not, it's 12:30 Spanish time, but it's 11:30 UK. That's what we work on. So I thought it's pointless going anywhere. So we're just going to call it a day now. We're going to have a glass of wine and we'll see you in the morning. Good night, everybody. See ya.